Rett Syndrome. Introduction. Babies with Rett syndrome are usually born after a normal pregnancy and delivery. Select true or false.
Correct. The majority of babies with Rett syndrome develop normally over the first 6 months.
Which of these symptoms may be caused by Rett syndrome? Choose one of the following options. 1. Teeth grinding and difficulty chewing. 2. Seizures and muscle spasms. 3. Loss of communication skills. 4. All of the above. Correct. Symptoms of Rett syndrome may be hard to notice during stage 1 of the disorder. Select true or false. Correct. During stage 1, symptoms are often hard to notice. Symptoms of Rett syndrome begin between 6 and 18 months of age. All cases of Rett syndrome are inherited from one generation to the next. Select true or false. Correct. Most cases of Rett syndrome are spontaneous. There is no cure for Rett syndrome. Select true or false.
Correct. There is no cure for Rett syndrome. Current treatment helps the child enhance their communication skills and improve their movement. Treatment also focuses on providing care and support for affected children and their families. Scientists are studying potential new treatments.
To cope, a family affected by Rett syndrome can choose one of the following options. 1. Arrange for outside care. 2. Seek support from other families affected by Rett syndrome. 3. All of the above. Correct. The goal of complementary and alternative treatments is to improve a child's symptoms and quality of life. Select true or false. Correct. If you think complementary and alternative treatments might help your child, ask your healthcare provider about the possible benefits.
Thank you for using Explain.